Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Hair may be the first part of the attention or others notice, and many may agree on that thick black hair is one of the most beautiful types of hair, but everyone gets different ages. Black color is slowly being replaced by gray and white, and the reasons for this problem are several. The pigment melanin found in the body, which gives the hair its black color, reduces its production as the person ages, which leads to changing the color of the hair to gray and white. But the appearance of this problem at an early age is now an indication of some problems that should not be tolerated. Reasons for the emergence of white hair: psychological problems and pressures related to work, emotion, substance or other problems. Genetics are a major cause of the problem of white hair appearing on parents, grandparents, and grandmothers, so expect your appearance. Not eating healthy meals will affect and increase the possibility of white hair, and the lack of vitamin B12 is a major reason for this problem. Therefore it is advised to eat foods such as tuna, salmon, meat, eggs, cheese and milk because they contain good levels of vitamin B12. Unhealthy habits, without exception, such as smoking, alcoholic beverages, and more, increase the chances of white hair appearing early. Too much fluid, such as tea, coffee, spices and food saturated with oil, leads to the result. Emotional shocks of all kinds may lead to the sudden appearance of white hair. If the production of melanin weakens the times of white and gray hair by appearing, it may be too late and the only solution is to dye the hair, but we can control the delay of this process if we answer the points mentioned above and work with the following tips. Thus we avoid the appearance of white hair. Walking is an easy and useful sport, and it may be no better for it in the early morning. As for what may delay the appearance of white hair, it is walking barefoot on wet lawn. Drink lots of fresh juices or eat fruits and vegetables, and carrots and lettuce may be one of the best defenders of your black hair. Increase the intake of vitamins of all kinds, especially vitamin B12. Increase iodine-rich foods, such as fish and bananas, and replace normal salt with iodized salt. The Indian amila fruit stimulates the body to produce melanin, and you can use it in a number of ways, such as applying it to the head and massaging it. The famous henna in our Arab society is very useful and keeps the pigment of melanin. Real aloes plant with all its products is very useful, and the easiest way to use it is to rub and massage the head with its extracts. A lot of oil baths, and the best mixture may be almond oil and coconut oil, as well as lemon juice, put on the head and massage gently. Hair needs natural minerals like copper found in its original color. You can extract copper from lamb liver, mushrooms, spinach, rabbit, green cereals, cashews, tomatoes, ginger and many other foods. General advice for women's hair. A woman's hair needs extreme care in order to preserve its freshness and beauty and in order to be able to change the style. There are simple matters that a woman may not pay attention to that lead to brittleness and hair loss. And one of the most important reasons that stop this problem. Gently blow your hair. Violent styling may damage hair and damage hair fibers, as well as exfoliate the scalp. Attach your hair, but do not strangle it. Tying the hair tightly, or tying it in the form of braids that hurt it and prohibit breathing, that is, oxygen cuts it, weakens the hair follicles and then leads to hair loss. Do not expose your hair to high temperatures. Using a hot hair dryer is usually bad for your hair, as it is harmful to the hair follicles and loses its shine with time, and the best and healthy solution is to let the hair dry on its own. It must be a diet. Hair, like the rest of the body, needs a healthy diet full of proteins, vitamins and minerals to grow well and repair damaged cells. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.